Amid the increasing demand for working from home and staying at home, housing equipment continues to evolve day by day in order to live more comfortably and safely. The Origin precision machinery parts we provide support the technology behind the scenes. Let's take a look at some of them. Multi-stage centrifugal brake. Living and dining are places to relax even in the house. Let's stop by the window. In this house, we use one-touch lifting blinds around the window. Let's roll down this blind. Inside this blind lifting unit is Origin's multi-stage centrifugal brake. Multi-stage centrifugal brakes control the operation according to the rotational speed as the brake shoe expands due to centrifugal force. The braking force can be switched with a changeover switch. The descent speed can be easily adjusted after blind installation. Let's compare it with the oil damper type. Since no oil is used, it is less affected by the temperature environment and descends at a stable descent rate. Blinds of different materials, sizes and weights can also be set to the same descent speed by a changeover switch. Multi-stage centrifugal brakes can also be used for lifting units and shade curtains and hanging cupboards. Reverse input shutoff clutch free type. Let's take a look around the front door. Origin products are also used here. In recent years, the number of opening and closing units using contactless electronic locks has been increasing. It is equipped with an Origin reverse input shutoff clutch. Origin's reverse input shutoff clutch free type is a machine element that transmits the power applied to the input shaft to the output shaft, but can cut the power applied to the output shaft by idling the output shaft. Due to its small size, it can be easily integrated into small units such as electronic locks. When driven by electric motor, the movement is transmitted to the key and thumb turn. The manual power from the thumb turn shuts off the power applied from reverse input shutoff clutch free type to the motor. In addition, if the thumb turn is turned while the motor is operating, the torque limiter will idle and prevent damage to the motor. This reverse input shutoff clutch free type is available with electric curtains and can also be used for electric and manual switching applications of automatic doors. Lifting spring clutch. Let's take a look at the Western style rooms. It is equipped with an Origin reverse input shutoff clutch. It is a product that is attracting attention due to changes in business styles such as telecommuting. Origin spring clutch for lifting and lowering controls the tightening force of the coil spring and switches between transmission and shutoff of power, enabling self-locking and lifting and lowering operations at a compact size and low cost. When the counter is raised, the spring clutch for lifting transmits the power applied from the motor to the input shaft, and then to the output shaft. Even if power stops, the lifting spring clutch locks the gravity of the counter, thus blocking transmission. In addition, even if pressure is applied from the top, such as placing objects on the counter or lifting the counter, it will not be transmitted to the motor. The lifting spring clutch can also be attached to the lifting and lowering equipment in the electric shutter. We have introduced some of Origin's precision machinery parts used in housing-related products. We will also respond to new applications of switchability between electric and manual, which will become even more important in the future. Origin will continue to research products that will contribute to the next generation of housing equipment, and will develop custom-made products.